Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all reposts on TikTok at once. So for example, I have reposted this video and you can see it right around here. So for example, let's repost another one. Like for example, let's do this again. And then as you can see, I have reposted two. So you can head over right here to your profile. You can click onto this right here and you can see in here all of the reposts that you have made. What you can do is you can head over and then click on those reposts. So if you have a lot of reposts, it will actually give you, or this can actually be labor intensive. So you can just click on any one of them, click on the this you reposted, and click on the reposted option and remove, and then do the same to your other reposts onto this. So once you have done everything, you should be able to clear all reposts because as of right now, there is no one click button to remove all of it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.